market at dawn, half-closed stalls. The bread tastes warm and the salt on my hands. Swollen eyes, slow pace, I look and don't speak. Among the fruit crates, I get lost for a moment. Damn, that pig of a dog, that's a pig. It's spinning in my head. I'm hungry and I don't have patience. People let me pass, but I stay there. All this confusion makes me want a pussy to lick it and go. Damn, that pig of a dog, that's a pig. It's better this way, you know. Want a pussy to lick it and go, and never think about it. Damn, that pig of a dog, that's a pig. I'm staying here with me. Want a pussy to lick it and go, until I'm well. I see the sun on the onyx, it makes the tomatoes shine. The boxes are red like my bad moods. A voice calls, I don't look anyone in the face. My shoes are still dirty, but I move like smoke. Damn, what a morning that grabs me by the neck. Between the oranges and the noise, I put everything back in place. Then I breathe. Slowly, slowly, the city wakes up slowly.